Malim 1 group members are Harit Haikal, Dia Zahra, Erika Milia, and Nuzarifa. Hi, I'm Erika Milia and I will be introducing our school. SMK Malim is located about 6 km from Malacca City and it was built right next to Labu AMG.
In this video, we will be focusing on two main problems. Hi, I am Dia Zahra and I will present our two main problems. The first problem the SMK Malim student often face is the problem of writing on the floor. We sometimes have to study on the floor for almost 2 hours and this can cause various health problems such as scoliosis and it is very worrying. The second problem is when the session of the year is over, there are usually many used books that will be thrown away. So to avoid waste, we took the initiative to make a portable table using these books.
Presenting our greatest innovation. Our innovation only consists of plastic and book. We harden the book by melting a plastic so we can write comfortably and firmly on it. This table can be folded. We put a pocket as a storage to store the table legs. We also added a handle to make it easier to carry anywhere. On top of the table leg, we put a velcro in the middle of the leg so that the table leg sticks to the hardened book and it can be detached whenever we want. To stretch the legs, we put 4 sticks around the velcro and connect it to the table so the table leg doesn't move around easily. I am Zarifa and I will leave the cards to Haikal.
Thank you, Zarifa. After doing some calculation, this is how our product costs. For the hinge, it only costs 11 ringgits. For the nails, it only costs 1 ringgit and 70 cents. For the glue sticks, it only costs 5 ringgits. And for the velcro, it only costs 4.5 ringgits. Totally of 22 ringgits and 10 cents. It's less than 25 ringgits and more than 20 ringgits.
Materials and tools needed are hammer, hot glue gun, heat gun, soldering pen, plastic bottle, and old books.